Hey everyone, welcome to Moving Matt. We do vlogs, travel, and some camera stuff. And today is Camera Wars, the show where we give you the latest camera news and let you know just how the battle is heating up. First up, DJI is putting together their do-it-yourself spy kit nicely. The new DJI Mini 2 has been released and it seems pretty impressive. It only weighs 249 grams, which is 1 gram shy of being regulated in most locations at least. You might want to check that out before you get arrested. This drone seems to be getting high praise, pun intended. It's a beginner level drone, but it seems to be punching above its weight class. I think that one's 2 puns in one.
Most impressive.
It sports 4K 30, 1080 60, and from what I can tell, pretty low light, which is something you usually can't say about a drone. The most impressive part to me though is the 6.2 mile radius, which is pretty insane. If you'd like to pick this thing up, it'll set you back $449 and it is linked below. Now at the time of this recording, it is not an affiliate link, but if anything like that ever changes, I'll let you know in the description. It's just there for your convenience, but what is also there for your convenience is that little subscribe button. So if you can give it a tap,
give it a little tappy, tap, tap, tap-a-roo.
It would be greatly appreciated. Next up, are you afraid of the dark? Well, fear no more. The Canon ML100 and ML105 are here, and they are capable of delivering full 1080p 60, and get this, 4.5 million ISO. If you want to have this full color night vision, prepare to pay somewhere in the neighborhood of $30,000. So a bit pricey. But want to know what's not pricey? The new RF 50mm 1.8 is here and it's only $200. This little lens is getting high praise from the in no way biased Peter McKinnon. It's mean. I really like Peter McKinnon. They also announced the 70-200 f4. At $1,600, I guess it's budget friendly compared to the $2,700 you'd have to pay for the 2.8. If you'd like either one of these lenses, they will be available this December. But speaking of something exciting coming out this December, if you've been waiting for the Apple Silicon Max, this December may be your month. Coming Tuesday, November 10th, Apple is set to have a new event, and it's widely speculated that this will be the event that they actually finally show the Apple Silicon Max. And what's extremely exciting about this for photographers and videographers is if the iPad Pro is any indication, then these new Apple Silicon Max will be an editing beast. Now, no one is exactly sure which model or models will be announced at this event, but it's something you might want to keep your eye on. But while we're talking about beasts, Sony Astrology Rumors is saying that the new A9 III or A9S is coming, and it's going to be a beast with 8K 30 and no overheating limits. It will have a new 50 megapixel sensor, have the same EVF and autofocus from the A7S III, and rock a price somewhere around $5,000. Now, is this camera a thing? With Sony I'll get it right one day rumors, it's kind of hard to say. But what do you think? Drop in the comment section below and let me know. Well, that is the current state of the camera wars. If you've liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And until next time, peace.